In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Lenovo laptop to pause charging at 80%. So to do this, first head to the search menu and then type in Vantage. Now here you will see this Lenovo Vantage app. It comes pre-installed on all Lenovo laptops, but if you can't find it, you can also download it from the Microsoft Store. Once you have opened the app, here you will see this battery section. Click on this three-dot icon next to it and then select battery settings. Now in this menu, you will need to go to this power tab, then scroll down and you will see this conservation mode option. Simply enable this toggle and your Lenovo laptop will stop charging every time your battery reaches 80%. Once it reduces back to 75, it will start charging again. So this will basically help your battery stay healthy for longer period. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.